All right, welcome to High Tech Automation here in Sandy. I'm Jacob Randall, the branch manager, and we're here with our Utah Open House and Automation Expo. Here with some of our great manufacturers and some of our sponsors, which include Siemens, Schunk, Schmerschel, Banner, and many others. So they're all here with their smiling faces. We're just waiting on you guys to come down and attend. Come check out High Tech Automation and see all the solutions we can provide to you. Welcome to High Tech.
Hi, I'm Dan Heiling with High Tech Automation. We just want to thank everybody for attending the Expo. I thought it was a tremendous success. We want to really shout out to our manufacturers coming in and supporting us. If you take a look at it, we had Siemens, you had Schunk, Rittal, Schmerschel, Banner, 8020, Epson Robotics, Murray Electronics, Piab, Festo, Fabco, Tolomatic, Betatron, and ABB. So I just want to thank each of them for coming out. Our focus is to make sure that this is always a value to our customers. We want it to be a value. And the feedback we got is tremendous. So we want to thank everyone for attending to make this successful. We're going to continue to do this from year to year as long as we bring value. So thank you for attending. Thank you for supporting us, and we'll see you next year.